This is going to sound a little strange, but right now, as you watch this video, billions of cells in your body are quietly eating their own parts. I know, it sounds terrifying, and yet this might be one of the most important things keeping you both alive and young. It's called autophagy, your cell's built-in self-cleaning system. For the past few years, it's been sold as the secret to youth, sitting right at the center of the fasting craze. So does it actually make you younger? Or is this just another passing trend? Let's take a look at it together. Let's start with the basics. Every day, a lot of junk builds up inside your cells. Damaged proteins, worn-out parts, structures that no longer do their job. If this stuff isn't cleared out, the cell slowly clogs up and gets sick. That's exactly where autophagy comes in. The word comes from Greek, self-eating. The cell wraps its useless parts in a membrane, breaks them down, and reuses the material inside. In other words, it's a recycling system. This discovery was so important that scientist Yoshinori Ohsumi won the Nobel Prize in 2016 for figuring out how the mechanism works. Think of it like this. There's a tiny recycling plant running inside your body. When a damaged part is spotted, the cell wraps it up like a garbage bag, then carries that bag to the cell's digestion unit, a structure called the lysosome. There, the part is dissolved and broken down into raw materials. Those materials are then used again to build fresh, healthy parts. So your cell both takes out its trash and turns that trash into new material for itself. Nothing goes to waste. And this process runs non-stop, without you even noticing. So what does this have to do with aging? Here's the thing. When you're young, this cleaning system runs fast and efficiently. But as you age, autophagy slows down. When the cleanup crew can't keep up, junk starts piling up in your cells. That accumulated damage is, according to many scientists, one of the root causes of aging. From Alzheimer's to heart disease, a lot of age-related problems may come down to exactly this failure to clean up. In short, the better your autophagy works, the cleaner and younger your cells stay. Now, here's the interesting part. You can speed autophagy up yourself. Its most powerful trigger is fasting. When you eat, your body is in abundance mode, focused on growing and storing, not cleaning. But as the hours without food stretch on, your body shifts into scarcity mode and says, if no new material is coming in, let me recycle what I already have. Studies show autophagy generally ramps up noticeably after around 16 hours of fasting. Exercise and good sleep strengthen the system too. So you don't need some expensive product for autophagy. Your body already carries this ability inside it. Now for the real question. Does autophagy actually make you younger? Here, I need to be honest with you. In mice and simpler organisms, the results are genuinely impressive. Animals with boosted autophagy live longer and healthier lives. But we're not mice. In humans, autophagy is very hard to measure directly. And we don't yet have solid proof that lets us say, I fasted and got 10 years younger. So autophagy is a real and important process, but you should be a little skeptical of anyone selling it as a fountain of youth. The truth is usually calmer than the hype. So what should you do? The good news, you don't need to starve yourself to support autophagy. Leaving regular gaps between meals, cutting out late-night snacking, moving regularly and sleeping well, all of these help the system. But one important warning. Long fasts aren't right for everyone. If you have diabetes or another health condition, or if you're pregnant, always talk to a doctor first. The goal isn't to punish yourself with hunger. It's to give your body the occasional chance to clean house. Maybe from today on, you'll have a little more respect for that quiet cleanup crew inside your body. If you found this fascinating, subscribe, and let's keep exploring the incredible machine you live in together.